Hi, thank you for purchasing my template. It comes with your Canva file and solves the biggest problem, warping your design onto the label for a realistic mockup. And nothing you upload ever goes online. It all runs right in your browser. Just select your design file at print ready size. It'll snap onto every mockup automatically. Hit apply design to all mockups and it snaps onto every mockup instantly. Click the multiplier for an even more natural, realistic finish. Every mockup's a little different, so fine-tune the placement on each one until it's just right. Once you're happy with it, hit download. Your mockup set is ready to use. Thanks again, and good luck with your shop. If you ever need help, just reach out to me on Etsy chat.